mother load. These are all the parts of almost everything that's coming, including these guys. But today's not about any of this stuff. Today's about this stuff. Look at this. This is the mother load. SSV came through. They sent us this 5-speaker stereo to install on our Polaris RZR. This one's built specifically for the ride command, and today we're going to start installing it. Let's get on it. Alright, this looks like it's some of our ride command plug and play stuff. Obviously the amp wiring, probably the heart of the system. Wow, these amps are tiny. That's crazy. Stereo technology's come a long ways. These are, everything's going to mount on the dash. These are speaker amp and a subwoofer amp, because, you know, we're going to have a subwoofer in this thing. Alright, moving on. What do we got here? These are our rear pods. These pods will mount to the factory or aftermarket cage. So, these will go in the back of the RZR. That's probably where we'll start at. Alright, let's see what we got here. These are our kicker pods. These will go in the front kicker panels. They just have to be named kicker also. Cool. These are all same thing, plug and play. This is all really nice stuff. Wow. Cool. There's 2 of these, one on each side, obviously. Sweet. Get this thing out of there. Wow, that's crazy. So this is going to replace our factory glove box with this awesome sub. This thing's crazy. This is Chris. He's going to help us with the install. He's installed SSV units in RZRs before. We both had SSV units in our previous RZRs. We loved them. So of course that's why we went back with SSV again. Most of the work to start out with is going to be up in this area. The dash, putting the ride command stuff back in, hooking all up to ride command, I mean. Installing the amp. The subwoofer is in the passenger side glove box. And the kicker panels. We're actually going to do a time lapse. I think we're going to mount the GoPro up high looking down on us. And we'll do a time lapse and we'll hit all the key points of the video. Let's do this. Alright guys, it's all hooked up, it's completely powered on, everything's wired, we have it where we want it, we can at least hear the radio play. So let's fire it up and see what we got.
Say, don't we do this every day? California Kate, I give her that D, cause that's what's...
That kind of wraps up the SSV install. It is obviously a BA kit. It is probably the top of the line. It's literally the most expensive kit you can buy from SSV. I'm glad they talked me into the subwoofer because I wasn't going to do it originally. It is, it's impressive. That's pretty impressive. We're going to leave everything out because tomorrow we're going to install some other stuff that would require us to take it all the way back apart again anyways. So for now, this is where we're going to leave it. We'll probably start the install of the dash tomorrow maybe to wrap up this. I guess the SSV is the only thing that we can install will be the dash, but we have some rocker switches we need to install in the dash that would go up here and some other small things. So as far as this SSV goes, as far as I'm concerned, it's a wrap, man. That's it.